Hey guys, so today I just got a package, so I'm just gonna unbox it and show you guys what I ordered. Alright, so here's the package and let me just open it. I'm really sorry about the camera work though. Alright. Alright, so here we got the package. So first thing we have, it's the second volume 2 of Nissan Reader's Viewpoint, and I'll show you guys. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little quick overview of how and tour of how my shelf that I bought today turned out. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so at the top first I put some little plushies as well as some fake tulips right there, and this little bunny that I crocheted, as well as this little Sailor Moon figurine and a BTS stand, as well as this little Totoro towel yeah. Okay, to the side here we got some keychains hanging. First we have a little pink stitch right here, and then we have a BTS Boy With Love keychain, which I love so much. My sister got it for me as a gift. I'm not really sure where it's from, but it's so cute. And then we got a Sakura Card Captor little keychain as well, like I won in an arcade. Okay, on the first shelf we have some of my manga. Most of it is BL here, but yeah, this is like what it looks like. And for display I have Super Morning Star right here, and then here I have a little Kuromi and a little fake plant with a little bunny, as well as another keychain right there. Alright, so over here I got some of my BL manga, and at the back I have some more, which let me show you guys. That's it manga that I have right there, as well as Nissan Reader's Viewpoint, which is the number 2 volume that I just got today as well. Alright, moving downwards to the second little shelf, I put some more manga. I'm sorry for the shaky recording, guys. Okay, so first we have some little crochet things that I did. I did that little ghost. Then we got a little loopsy and another crochet, one of my crochet projects, which is a little frog. Then we have a lot of manga at the back. All that back row is filled with my Tokyopop one-shot BL volumes. And here we got a little plushie chimi, a little duck that I crocheted, and a little cute little cat for decoration. And then here you have some non-BL ones, which is LDK, Maitama, and I Wanna Be a Wall Volume 1. Let me show you guys the volumes behind here. There we go, that's all the Tokyopop that I own. Alright, moving downwards, here we have a little keychain of a chicken. a chicken little rice ball. And here we have a little witch frog. And down here in the last two shelves, I only have really random stuff. Here I have like a little collection of mine, which are like cute notebooks, as well as more notebooks and random things, as well as I have my army bomb right there and some pop bubble wrap. And then lastly, down at the last shelf, I have some of my school books and some extra notebooks for school, as well as my little container, which is filled with my collection of stickers and more plushies, small plushies right there. But yeah, that's it.